tracks. guys, so we just finished detailing the Silverado right here behind me, so don't mind if I'm like wiping my sweat and stuff. So we made sure we washed the exterior to remove all of the bugs and all of the mud and dirt that it had on the exterior, and then we went ahead and did a full interior shampoo. So this was actually our silver detail package. So the truck is finished now. I'm sorry if I'm out of breath, you guys. Like, I'm really out of breath right now trying to talk to y'all because we gotta go. So it's actually 12:37. We have the next one at 1 o'clock, 1 p.m. So we gotta get going. So washed it, of course, did the outside. We went ahead and did the best detail we could on the interior here, and this is how it looks so far. So we, cleaned the seats nice and good, cleaned all the glass and stuff like that on the interior. And then we also did the floor mats and stuff like that as well. We just pressure washed them, cleaned them up a little bit. The client was just majority concerned with the interior. It's looking nice, looking white again, He just wanted it to be clean enough for his kids to get back into the truck. So that's what we did for him. So clean everything up. Everything is nicely and freshly detailed. Underneath, the seats are all vacuumed and steam cleaned. Door panels, door jambs were all cleaned, and this truck is looking way better than what it did when we first got here. So, and then we also went ahead and did the engine bay, but I'm not going to show y'all that because that's kind of I just don't feel like showing y'all. So appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you guys subscribe to Mendez Mobile Detailing, the best detail channel on YouTube. And also make sure you guys subscribe, like, share, and comment anything you want to know. So appreciate y'all for watching. Hustle never settle. Catch you guys in the next one. We gotta get going. Peace out, you guys. Love you guys.